Hello friends, welcome to Otica Healthcare Private Limited. Today we are going to unbox and demonstrate the use of Yankauer Suction Cannula. The product packaging comes like this, and this is a sterile, so very safe to use, and make sure you do not reuse. It is very easy to open from here. You can see this product comes with a 2-meter long suction tube. This tube is a pinch protected, so it will not get pinched easily because of this linings. You have to connect, this is the cannula, and this is a good quality product. You have to connect this cannula here, and you have to connect the other part to the suction machine, and whenever you will start suction, it will start suction from this tip. Thank you for watching.